This video is gonna make you a Muay Thai defensive monster. You're about to learn Muay Thai defense beyond the basics. We're gonna cover how to block punches, kicks, and even knees, but we're gonna go deeper with the details of great defense. We're gonna show you where to look, that way you can see everything that the opponent throws. We're gonna show you how to have proper footwork, so that way you can control the distance management. You're about to learn how to use hand control. So not only can you stop the punches and the kicks, but it also allow you to counterattack. And most of all, to have the secret sauce to great defense, it's about reaction. We're gonna show you how to develop a strong reaction, so no matter what the opponent throws, you're gonna be able to block it. Make sure you watch this content from beginning to end and apply it in your training, and let us know how it works out for you. We can't wait to hear from you. Are you ready to cook?
Yes.
Tabernacle, let's go. We're gonna give you a crash course in Muay Thai defense. That way we can get to the real meat of the content. Here we go. Feet together, shoulder width apart, one bodyguard, two bodyguard. Don't wanna make our window wide open. This is the window. I want you to close it. Window open, window close. Make sure my elbow is extended, so that way when he jabs, you're gonna catch their jab either in the palm or on your forearms. Either one works fine. Here we go. Jab, bam. Try to stick it, boom. Every time your opponent jabs, I want you to try to keep their punch as far away from your face as possible. I'm going to try to keep his jab away from me, but still stay within range, so that way you can counterattack, but you're going to make sure that that punch isn't near your face. Boom! Look how close this jab is. Your opponent can do a lot of damage from this distance here. Versus, bam! Now look how far away it is from my face. So not only am I safe, if they attack from this range, you have a better chance of making them miss, and you're still within range to counterattack. That's how you're going to block the jab. Give me the cross now, free. Bam! Good. That's all you got? Good. You want to keep that cross, just like the jab, away from your face as much as possible, but still be able to counterattack. Good. I blocked it with my forearm. This hand was up. I took a small step back because that's a power shot. You're going to have to give yourself room. That's how far it is. That's how you block the jab and the cross. Crash course. Now you're about to learn how to block the Muay Thai kicks. Crash course. Here we go. Inside leg kick. Go. Block. Turn the knee down. The weight goes on the back foot. Very simple. Hands up. He kicked the inside leg. Blam. Rear leg kick. They're going to try to get this thigh, and you're going to block it with that hard part of the shin, the big piece of the back. Oh, it's going to hurt so much. Again. He bang. Just like that. Just a lift. Rear kick leg block. Same. Boom. I'm not lifting super high. I'm just letting them get that shin. So again, rear leg kick. Kick the back. Bam. Lift. Now we're going to move up to body kicks. When you block the Muay Thai body kicks, all you do is lift the leg straight up. You don't want to lift the leg out. If me and you were fighting and I go to block like this, what's open? Obviously, you can see this is open, faces, everything is open. So when you block the body kick, all you're doing, boom, is lifting straight up. Lifting straight up. And you're going to protect your forearm. Forearm, watch. Now you see it, check it out. Boom, now you don't. Wham, straight up. He kick again. Wham, right there. Bam, lift straight up, making yourself small. Bam, stomp, good. Lift it high and block. Base leg straight. Now let's get to the meat of the content. The first key to improving your Muay Thai defense from zero to hero is where do you look? Shout out to Crew F, one of the greatest defensive Nakmuis of all time. He taught me from the start. Instead of looking at the face, you look at the waist. You're looking right at the waist. I guarantee you see everything. Also, it's very easy to get tricked. He's looking at my eyes. I'm going to look down. He's going to look down. It's obvious. Bop, bop. I'm going to look down. He's going to look down. Bop, I throw, bop, bop. I'm looking down, and then wham, just like that. That easy. That's the first key that we're giving you. Don't look at the face. Look at the waist. I don't care what's going on the outside. I don't care what's happening over the side. I don't care what they're doing over here. Look straight at the waist. Block, move, block, miss, miss, miss. Miss again. Chocolate cake. Look at the waist and not the face. You will see everything. Next up, to improve your Muay Thai defense, footwork. Foundation is very important. Remember this, and you'll always be good. Whatever direction you're going, that's the foot that's going to lead. If he steps back, that foot leads. If he steps forward, that foot leads. He steps to his left, that foot leads. Step back, back, back. Good. Come forward. Come on. Pop. Good. What we don't want to happen is when you're stepping back, they're bringing their feet together. If he's rushing me, come. I'm bringing my feet. No. I can't attack like this. If he was to throw the kick right here, I couldn't block from this position because my feet aren't set. I'm not leading in the direction that I'm going. With the feet comes the hands also. When I say that, I'm talking about using your hands to protect your space. This is my bubble. This is my position. I'm safe now. If he steps forward, step, boom. Still have this bubble, still have this shield. That's how you control the distance. That's how you control the spacing. Remember when you're practicing in your shadow, practicing in your fight, put that in your mind's eye, your mental. I'm not going to let them inside this bubble. Visualize them. Oh, now he's too close. He's right here now. I need to step back. I can see everything now. I'm going to step left. I'm going to lead with my left. I'm going to step right. I'm going to lead with my right. Remember those key points. That's how you're going to get better. The next key to improve Muay Thai defense beyond the basics is the hand control. This is what really separates Muay Thai from everything else. From here to here makes the hole a little bit smaller. So jab, so good. I'm catching with my palms. They stay open. Not only can you do that, you can grab and then you can also attack. So look, got him. Oh, he's already dead. Whoa! Come again. Pop. Easy. Just like that. That comes from this basic hand control. You're looking at his waist, not his face. You're using proper footwork. Your palms are open. He come forward. Look, that's hand control here. You're still keeping the basic guard that you started from. However, you're just opening your palms up. You're just extending that lead hand so you can see everything. And instead of having your rear hand pinned to the eyebrow, you're just going to open up that up a little bit. And most importantly, gang, I want you to protect your chin with your shoulder. One more time. Look at my eyes, looking at his waist. I want you to examine my feet. I want you to examine my hands when he comes forward. Up to you. Bang, there we go. Good. Yap, I dare you. Move. Come on. Easy work. Move. 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 It's too easy. So Tito just told me he's not trying to land anything. We'll see how true that is. What you got, toothpick?
You can kick.
Yeah, I'm tattooing you too. I'm just gonna touch you with the jab then. Nope. Easy enough. Now, the final piece to improving your defense and making you a monster, reaction. When I say reaction, this is what I mean. So that's only a snippet of the full version that's now available on the KMA online Muay Thai drills and workouts program. To get registered for 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai, all you have to do is hit the link in the pinned comment or the description. And to get dripped out with us with KMA apparel and Muay Thai training gear, just hit that shop link in our pinned comment in the description. If you want more Muay Thai tutorials on our channel, all you have to do is click this video right here. It's going to give you our full playlist that we know that you're going to enjoy.